Hey there, welcome to Hyperfacts. We're diving into the magical world of quantum physics. Now, I know what you're thinking, quantum physics sounds super complicated, right? But don't worry, we're going to break it down so even a 5-year-old can understand. Ready? Let's go. Imagine you have a magic box. Inside this box, there are tiny, tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are like the building blocks of everything around us. Your toys, your house, even you. Now, these atoms are made up of even tinier parts called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Think of them like the ingredients in your favorite cookie. Here's where it gets really cool. In the world of quantum physics, these tiny particles don't behave like the things we see every day. They can be in two places at once, or they can disappear and reappear somewhere else. It's like magic. This is called superposition. Imagine if you could be in your bedroom and the playground at the same time. Sounds fun, right? Now, let's talk about another amazing thing called entanglement. Imagine you have two magic marbles. If you do something to one marble, the other one instantly knows and reacts, no matter how far apart they are. It's like they have a secret connection. Scientists are still trying to understand how this works, but it's one of the coolest things about quantum physics. You might be wondering, how do scientists know all this? They use special machines called particle accelerators to smash particles together and see what happens. It's like a giant game of marbles, but with super tiny particles. These experiments help scientists learn more about the universe and how everything works. Now, let's talk about something called quantum computing. Regular computers use bits, which are like tiny switches that can be either on or off. But quantum computers use qubits, which can be on, off, or both at the same time. This makes quantum computers super powerful and fast. They can solve problems that regular computers can't even dream of. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the idea of quantum tunneling. Imagine you have a ball and there's a wall in front of it. In the regular world, the ball would just bounce back. But in the quantum world, the ball can sometimes pass right through the wall. This is called tunneling, and it's another mind-blowing aspect of quantum physics. Next up, we have quantum decoherence. This is when the magic of superposition starts to fade away because the particles interact with their environment. It's like when you're trying to balance on one foot, but someone keeps poking you. Eventually, you lose your balance. Scientists are working hard to understand and control decoherence to make quantum computers even better. Let's not forget about quantum teleportation. No, it's not like Star Trek where you can beam people from one place to another. But scientists have figured out how to transfer the state of a particle from one place to another instantly. It's like sending a secret message without actually moving the paper. Another fascinating concept is quantum entanglement swapping. Imagine you have two pairs of entangled particles. If you take one particle from each pair and entangle them, the other two particles, which have never interacted, become entangled too. It's like a magical chain reaction. Finally, let's talk about quantum cryptography. This is a way to send secret messages that are impossible to eavesdrop on. If someone tries to listen in, the message changes, and the sender and receiver know there's a spy. It's like having an unbreakable code to keep your secrets safe. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Quantum physics is the study of the tiniest particles in the universe. These particles can do amazing things like be in two places at once, have secret connections with each other, pass through walls, and even teleport information. Scientists use special machines to study them, and quantum computers use these principles to be super powerful. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more amazing facts, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Hyperfacts. And if you have any questions or topics you want us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.